All right, what's going on? So we got the trade recap September 18th, 2025. A nice long on EU here. Um, I usually trade GBP USD, but I just saw this setup on EU. It was like way too perfect to pass up and got a nice 1 point, basically a 1-to-1 RR on this trade today, which was nice. Initial bias for the day, because like I said, I normally trade GU. Um, so initial bias for the day was definitely bearish. Had all like we had these Asian highs get taken out, so and then just huge fucking capitulation after yesterday's FOMC, whatever you're gonna call this is happened. Definitely was looking out for draws on liquidity to the downside, right? Like these lows, like these are all high target areas. These lows, these lows, these lows here, right? So that was my initial bias for the day. I guess these drawings I can just get rid of. Like these are hourly fair value gaps, by the way, I'm marking out, which I feel like that's probably my mistake. Like, why am I marking out hourly fair value gaps if I'm trading on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and I'm using my 15 minute as like my quote unquote high time frame? Why am I marking out? Anyways, that's just a little tangent there. Again, because this is kind of just like a trading journal slash recap for myself, and then if other people start to watch it, then that's great. And I guess we can just converse in the comments about what kind of trades you guys take and how dumb I am for taking the trades that I take. But yeah, these drawings are pretty much useless. Like, why am I marking these out? Anyways, I'll just get rid of these because they're pissing me off now. But anyways, that was my bias, right? Was we're definitely bearish for the day, but the move kind of took off without me because this is all pre-market, right? Like I trade 9:30, so that's like this move. It's already too far, and then by the time, like I could have entered right at 9:30, but it's like okay, I'm entering at market price, and it's like I don't know. I wanted to kind of let price do its thing for a little bit before I got in. So once these lows got taken out, um, I was like, shit. Okay, we might just send to these lows as well. So I'll enter short. So I entered short here. Let's go on the 5 minute. I entered short here because I felt like this candle was enough confirmation that we were gonna just keep going and take out these lows. But I didn't realize it was actually just a liquidity sweep on EU that was just faking me out and probably faked out a bunch of people that were trading GU today. So I exited like just a little bit in red after break even and entered on this EU once I got the confirmation of the break of structure. Look on the 1 minute. I actually fucking sniped this. Boom. Look at that touch. And as soon as that happened, price just reacts the other way. And I didn't see that on the GU. That's why I was taking shorts. But this huge candle up here, at this point, I'm still in my GU position. Otherwise, I probably would have entered like off of this candle. But I exited my GU, got in just here. And then I set my take profit to fill in this 15-minute fair value gap. I did close. Where is it? Yeah, 15-minute fair value gap. But because I had to leave for a doctor's appointment, I closed it a little bit early. But I probably would have had it at the top of this fair value gap. I mean, still 15 pips is a decent move, and price still ends up going past that anyways. I mean, like I said, I think we're still in a downtrend. Like that was just a retracement into potentially those higher time frame areas that I was marking out earlier. But unless I'm swing trading, I guess there's no real point in marking those out. But yeah, I mean, if this gets inversed, this is probably going to get touched, and then I'd expect some more movements, and then potentially we'll go down to these lows tomorrow, or even these lows. Who knows? But yeah, I'll be back on the charts tomorrow, guys, that was the trade for today. I'll have a screenshot of the exact entry um, and exit points for you just to show you. I don't know. It doesn't really matter because this is really just a journal for myself, but I don't know, just to prove it. I guess to myself too, right? There it is. Yeah, nice trade. Let me guys, or what the fuck? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what trades you guys took. If you took any trades today, if you're trading tomorrow, if FOMC did you dirty. I didn't even trade FOMC. I was scared of it, but yeah, that's it. I'll check in with you guys on the next trade recap slash journal later.